Good evening. Today's lesson is how to clean the dirt from underneath a toenail using a pocket knife. Now, if I may draw attention to the knife. First activity is to slowly put the pocket knife under the toenail. After it is fully inserted, bring it to one side of the toenail. Gradually turn up the pocket knife so you can start scraping underneath the nail. Pull out pocket knife, clean the dirt off of the knife. Then repeat the first steps over again. After the second time, your nail should look beautiful, just like this one. Thank you for joining me with John's tip of the day.